Hello YouTubers! Today I'm going to be unboxing 6 new Trackmaster slash motorized push-along vehicles. They are Thomas, Toby, Emily, Diesel, Bash, and last but not least, Fiery Flynn. Fiery Flynn, here to break your shin and kill your chins. Hope that'll be a reference for any of you Busted Buffers Busted Buffer fans out there. Anyways, I'm going to be unboxing these one by one. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try and, as I got a pair of scissors, I'm going to be trying to open it up underneath, as I don't want to ruin the box. Yeah, this may take a while, but you have to be very careful when opening up these toys. I think I may have damaged the box a bit, but I got a better idea. I'm gonna try opening that up, and voila! So, wait, I'm damaging the box even further. Out comes Thomas. Gonna do Diesel next. Oh well, I don't need to push long boxes anyway. Comes. Oh. There he comes. Hurrah, I got him. Toby now. Here's Toby. Now Bash. Here's Bash. Got 2 more to go. Fiery Flynn. I don't need to put. The reason why I don't need to push lung boxes is because I mainly collected Trackmaster, so I don't think these boxes will be that necessary for me. Here's Flynn. And last but not least, again, Emily. Oh, don't worry, I'm okay. I'm okay. Voila, Emily. As you can see, I got all 6 engines out. And I'll be showing them one by one. Here's Thomas. And this is the normal version of Thomas. Toby. Yeah, the model's not that good as it is pretty wide. And there's not a lot of detailing. But Mattel was doing it to cut down costs. There's Toby. Devious Diesel. Bash. Oh yeah, Dash was originally planned to be released in this line, but for whatever reason it was cancelled. Maybe it's because actually I had no idea why it was cancelled. Maybe you guys can tell me. Yeah. Even though the logging locos are incredibly unpopular characters, only Bash has a push-along model. Mattel had no plans on making Ferdinand for this line as well. Fiery Flynn. He has his movable ladder, which thankfully wasn't molded as part of the shell. Oh yeah, starting in late 2019, these engines have dots in their eyes. White dots. Pretty much like the Trackmaster slash motorized engines. And now, Flynn's trailer car. Yes, I do have the Playroll version of this trailer car. In case any of you haven't seen my Playroll Flynn video. Yeah, but yeah, as you can see, Flynn has no front coupling. As a result, he cannot be pulled. Instead, you only have to push him. His trailer car does not have a coupling either, so you can't. So you really can't connect to anything behind that car. And lastly, Emily with her number 12. Now I already got the push along Emily from the All Around Soda Deluxe set, which is a combined set of Talking Thomas and Percy, Cranky the Crane, Windmill, that sort of hybrid set. But now I got the one with her number 12. Emily did receive this number in the episode Emily to the Rescue. Not sure why she wasn't given a number when she was first introduced. Maybe they wanted to wait till the time is right. At first, I thought the tender was crooked. Well, the graphics for the tender was crooked, but no, it's normal. So there you have it. I unboxed and showed you 6 new push-along engines. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and bye for now.